Hello everyone. A chess puzzle I'm going to share with you. The black king is here and one bishop and one pawn. And the white one, the king is here. Have one pawn and one rook. The queen is here for white. The direction for that white for forward like that. The black direction like that. White first to move and black made in two moves. Can you find a solution for that? So let's think for a while. You can pause the video and return back after that. Right. As you can see, there is a check by queen. Queen d4, a check. Also, there is a check, a rook. Rook d5, a check also. And there is a check also with his pawn. Pawn e6, check. So we try this move. We use a queen for the first move. Queen d4, check. If he move his king to e6, there is a mate. Queen g4, checkmate. But black king will not move to e6. He used to move to king c6. So there is no mate on that. If he make a check, queen d5 check, there is one square. King black can escape. b6, so not mate. Return back to the position like that. How about we use a rook as a first move? There is a check for the rook. Rook d5 check. Black answer, king c6. So where is the mate on that? If he make a check by queen, there is a bishop to cover. Bishop b7. So there is no mate. If we check by queen a4, there is square to escape the black b6. So there is no mate. Return back to the position like that. How about the pawn? There is also a check for that. Pawn e6, check. Black answer, king takes pawn. So there is no mate on that. If he made a check, queen a6, king d7. If queen a3 can escape the king either f6 or d6 or d7. So there is no mate on that. Return back to the position. The right move on that is queen b8. That is the right move. If he move his pawn, black, pawn c6, checkmate by queen, checkmate. If he move his bishop either b7 or a6, There is a check here. Queen A8. Checkmate. If he move his king to C6, checkmate by queen here. B5, checkmate. If he move his king to E6, queen takes bishop, checkmate. So, that is the right move. Queen B8. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it to be updated on my upcoming videos. I'm uploading weekly a chess puzzle and viewing beauty of nature chess game of great chess player of all time. Thank you for watching.